Hello everyone, I am Shapan Das and welcome all of you to SD Gaps online e-learning platform for computer science and engineering. Now in this video I am going to introduce you with the math courses that SD Gaps is offering. In SD Gaps offers three different courses for mathematics. First one is GATE Mathematics, second one is Aptitude and Reasoning course, and the third one is Basic Mathematics course. Look, in GATE Mathematics course we will cover all the topics for GATE syllabus, all the topics from GATE syllabus. Now why we are offering this GATE Mathematics course separately? Look, there are so many people who have good hold on core computer science subject, but there is a possibility that they are lacking with the mathematics course and they are looking for a separate mathematics course, and that's why for all those people we are offering this mathematics course separately. Clear? So next is coming to the aptitude and reasoning part. Now in aptitude and reasoning part we will cover all the important topics from aptitude and reasoning part that are required for GATE exam, and this course will also helpful for all of the students who are preparing for interviews. Look, in interviews the first step is written test, where most of the company include the aptitude and reasoning part also. So for those also this particular course will help. Clear? Now coming to the basic mathematics part, why basic mathematics course is required and why we are offering it and for whom we are offering this particular course. Now look, in generally most of the computer science background students have average knowledge in mathematics, and average knowledge they have only because of they never get interested in mathematics. Clear? Because of that we want to improve their mathematics knowledge, because look, if in computer science field anyone is interested to build their career in research field or in the field of machine learning, or if someone is interested to do their masters, in all of this scenario mathematics play a key role. Clear? And whoever are currently pursuing their bachelor degree and mathematics is one of the subject in their curriculum, this course will help all of those also. And we are offering this particular course, all of this particular course with very low cost that anyone can afford easily. Clear? And coming to the support system, we will support through WhatsApp, email. Along with these two support system, we also organize live doubt session to clear your doubts in any of these courses. Clear? So if you want further details related to these particular courses, you can visit our website by using this link, and if you want to join any of the mathematics course, that also you can do from our website. Clear? So that's it for today. See you soon in our next video. Thank you.